Question! Whatever happened to that $300 million debt the JFF had when Mr. Michael Ricketts took over as president? Anything happened to the debt yet? It decreased or it increased? Remember, Mr. Ricketts promised from his invisible plan was to reduce the debt by meeting with the government and the sports minister to get some write-off and blah, blah, blah. The write-off gone yet? Next, Mr. Ricketts, we hear Coach Topper Whitmore sounding off, saying I'm unhappy with the preparation and certain other things with the senior team. You take up your phone and call Topper yet, Mr. Ricketts? Have you discussed these problems with Coach Whitmore as yet? I wonder if Mr. Ricketts and his crew realize and understand how important the success of the national senior team is to the fortunes of the entire football program. Do they understand? What them understand? Next. Mr. Ricketts came into office almost a year now. Anybody see or hear the invisible plan yet? What about Mr. Lionel McLean, who spoke so emphatically on behalf of Mr. Ricketts and the crew, saying they don't want anybody from outside to come in and fix the problems of the football? He said, we who create these problems, we want to fix these problems. The problem's fixed yet? Speaking of help, of another. What about the corporate sponsorship for the football? Anybody sponsor the program yet? Where's Mr. Ricketts? Too many questions? Well, all right. Mr. President, since you said too many questions, we want some. Yes. We need some. Yes.